Hey beauties, I just wanted to share with you this sponge. I've spoken about it on my YouTube channel, how much I love it. It is a body sponge, a body wash sponge that you use in the shower, and it's just beyond amazing. It's from Spongeables, and oh my god, I can't even tell you how clean and fresh it makes you feel. It leaves your skin just feeling absolutely amazing, and it is infused with shea butter and vitamin E, and it is beyond amazing. It also does help to prevent cellulite. It has caffeine in it. I just know that it makes my skin feel so amazing. I just can't even believe it. I can't live without this. So I will do a swipe up so you can get to it, and so you can purchase it for yourself. It does have a cleansing conditioner in it, but sometimes I do mix in another body wash with it as well, just for extra, because I just love different scents and whatnot. So I'll just pour a body wash into it. And so I absolutely love this. I just want to share this with you guys. So you can just swipe up if you want to get to it and check it out. I just feel like this is the ultimate bath experience. I love to turn my bath kind of like into a spa experience for myself. I love taking baths so much. I'm pretty much like addicted to taking baths, but well, actually not baths, showers. So I'm a shower addict, so I just love to feel really clean, especially if you live where there's hard water. These sponges are a must-have because they remove any residue from your skin, and they just leave your skin feeling so clean, soft, supple, all that good stuff. So I'll just do a swipe up so you can get to it, but it's the Spongeables anti-cellulite body sponge. So here it is. Yay!